Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a flashable USB drive for your PC to flash Windows or any Linux OS. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and join with me. First of all, open your web browser and connect to this site refresh.ie. Then scroll down and download this program, or you can download another version if this program isn't support your PC. Then you need to turn off your virus guard from here. You can turn off your virus guard until you will reboot your PC. Then download and open this application. Then click on open. It will ask you to administrator access. You need to click on yes. Then you need to enter your USB drive. Now my USB drive is connected. You should have at least 8 GB USB drive to use this program. Then you need to select your OS. I am going to make a flashable USB drive for Windows 7 PC, so I am going to select this disk or ISO image file. Then you need to select your ISO image here. Go to select and choose your file. Then click on open. Before going to flash this one, you need to copy all of your data on your USB storage to your PC. If you have any files on your USB drive, it will normally delete these all files on the my SD card. You can see there are so many files in this my SD card, my USB drive. These all files is gone after the installation process completed. Then you need to back up your pen before going to do this. After that, click on start. They are saying your data will be lost after the completing of this process. Then you need to click on OK. Now it is copying your ISO files. Let's continue our video after the completing of this process because it's taking too much time. Okay guys, here you can see my USB flash drive making process is completed. You can see it take 32 minutes. This time is depend on the what the OS are you going to flash onto your USB and the speed of your USB drive. Okay guys, now you can enter this USB drive to your PC and flash. Let's continue our video from with the PC. Okay guys, now you need to connect your pen drive into your PC and then turn on your PC. Now press F2 key to your go to your boot menu. Press your F2 key like this. Now you can see here your boot menu. Then go to boot. Now scroll down and select your USB flash drive. You can see it here. Then you need to change this order. They are saying us press F5 or 6 to change values of this order. Click this button. You can see it goes up like this. Then click F10. Press yes. Now your machine is restarting. Then immediately press any key to turn on your PC with your pen drive. Some devices getting changes in this boot priority option, so in those devices you need to click on F10 or F12 key to change boot order. Now here you can see my device is successfully connected with my USB, and now I can install Windows on this PC using this pen drive. Now your Windows is restarting. Then you need to remove your USB drives. Now your Windows installation process is done. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also turn on notification bell. Thank you all for watching this video.